What go me, G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you don't feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember if you check the doctor. Go to the doctor, make the doctor come at you, or you make somebody bring you to the doctor. And as always, guys, do your wellness check on your friend, your family, each and every one. Do your wellness check. Make sure everybody all right, because mental health crisis is no joke. And also, guys, remember, you know, we Jamaican people need our help. We brothers and sisters, we need our help. Coins, clothes, anything you have, you can donate it. Also, guys, I'm linking up with an individual over in New York there who normally every year would send a barrel to Jamaica with, in other words, bring a barrel to Jamaica with things to give the unfortunate people. This year, they said they want to link up with me so that we can do something together and send it off down at Jamaica there so that them can help some people. So with that, I go come with some information where you all can either send money to buy some things, or buy some things shipped, or drop off over in New York there. More information will be coming on that. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want to address something that a lot of people left out, and I want to bring it to the forefront. I do not know if you all listen to what Alicia Kim said in her videos. I don't know if you guys listen to each and every word. I listen to every single word. I listen to them videos like over 20, 15, maybe 30 times sometimes. Because what I want, I don't want to leave no stone unturned. So there's a part of what Alicia Kim said that I want to bring to you guys, talk to you guys about it. Alicia Kim said that when Buu come and surprise her with the wedding and the engagement and all those things, and she and Buu have dialogues and talking, I realize many people don't realize that Buu said to Alicia Kim that Buu won't be coming back to Jamaica. Let me get a drink of water, because, guys, here's where I go stir up a little something. All of you remember when Alicia Kim said that Buu said Buu won't be coming back to Jamaica? Why would Buu tell Alicia Kim that he's not coming back to Jamaica after the relationship start and relationship is going good? Why would Buu said to Alicia Kim, I won't be coming back to Jamaica? No, think no, man. Come on, no, man. Work with me, no, man. Work with me, no, man. Huh? Talk to me, no, man. Huh? Why did Buu tell Alicia Kim that Buu will not be coming back to Jamaica? Let me say this. If any of you listen and was listening when Alicia Kim said that Buu told her that he wasn't coming back to Jamaica, then Alicia Kim said, okay, well, America then. None of you didn't see what Buu did. Well, let me help you about what Buu did. When Buu settle everything with Alicia Kim, visit Jamaica, so you know the relationship start, the sexual encounter start, whatsoever it be. I don't care what it be, that's not my business. Start, remember, he goes down there, stay at Airbnb 2 days, then stay at Alicia Kim house. So remember now, the relationship start, the relationship is going good. He's buying things there, doing our business. So the relationship is going good. So now is the right time to use his head to scam her. When I say scammer, I mean scammer in a very nice way of telling her that after them get together and divorce and married, not divorce, have me excuse, married and everything, by saying to her, I won't be coming back to Jamaica to live. What you want her to do? What all of you want her to do at that specific time? You want her to stay in Jamaica while her husband is living in America. Is that what you all expected to happen? Hold on. What all of you expected Alicia Kim to do when her husband told her that he is not coming back to Jamaica to live? What did you all expect her to do at that specific moment? Did you expect her to say, okay, I want a divorce because I'm not coming to America to live. I want a divorce because I don't want to live in America. I'm not coming to America, so give me a divorce. Which one of those should she have done? You don't have any answer? Comment down below. All of you Buishas where always come over here. Comment down below. What should have she done? When Buu said that to her, he's not coming back to Jamaica to live. What should have Alicia Kim done in that situation? Should have she tell Buu to divorce her right there? Should she tell Buu that I won't come to America to live, so you have to make your decision? Should she say to Buu, I don't want to come to America. I already have what I have here in Jamaica, so I go stay here, so I want to divorce. Buu did not tell her that he's not coming back to Jamaica before he married to her. He told her that afterwards. So, any of you see what Buu did? Buu outsmart Alicia Kim. Buu con Alicia Kim. Buu scam Alicia Kim of her own rights. So none of you see that. Not one of you see that Buu scam, Buu con Alicia Kim out of her own country. You never see that. That's how dangerous Buu is. That's how dangerous Buu is, and not one of you see that. But every day you get up a cuss Alicia Kim about Alicia Kim shouldn't this, she should have not come at. Listen, no man. You're not realizing what really conspired. You not really realize that what happened was, I hear one of you one day say, oh, it was all a setup. I hear one of you, you see, said it was a setup between Alicia Kim relative because and one heap or something. But have you really realized what really happened? Remember, Buu said he have seen her mother before, but never seen Alicia Kim before. But out of the blues, not Alicia Kim, out of the blues, Buu is going to ask the cousin if you don't have any cousin I could get. So do you all see where the setup and where the can business is? When you all talk about who can who from who no can who, do you all realize where the whole of it is? Buu know exactly what he was doing. But none of you is looking at that part. All you're looking at is that Alicia Kim was the one who made the video and not Buu. That doesn't say anything. All you're looking about is Alicia Kim went to the embassy how much time and didn't get the visa. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Many people go to the embassy and never get a visa. I have friends who go to the embassy and never get a visa. And one day, that time, when he was going to England, that time, you didn't need a visa to go to England. And he fly to England. And when he reached England, he didn't have no paper, so then put him in the detention, holding for sending back to Jamaica. And him sit down in the room, and then come out the room and call out a name. I won't say the name of them call, but I go use a name. Let's say them say, Jonathan Brown. And you know what he did? He says, here. And the man said to him, your family outside waiting on you. And him say, okay, take him bag and him go out. Kind of family out there wait. No, him pass the people him out there. We are wait for him. And go take taxi. And go which party me that go originally. He's still in England up till today. It's about 20 of the year now. So the thing is, some people get through, some don't. So by getting up talking about she want to go foreign how long and this and that, everybody at Jamaica want to go foreign. You don't even say they don't want to go. Or some may not have the opportunity to go, so then just not worry about it. Maybe this time, some people that are Jamaica don't really want to travel the US. Because they don't really have no reason. Because they have everything what they have done there. But Buu knew exactly what he was doing. He scammed Alicia Kim in many ways. Because by telling her that I won't come back to Jamaica is a way of telling Alicia Kim, you have to come to the US to live with your husband. That's what Buu did to Alicia Kim. So you all out there where talk about Alicia Kim go to embassy and never want this and never get this and because of Buu. I know so it really go. Yes, it's because of Buu, because Buu can her. Buu scam her by telling her Buu will not be coming back to Jamaica to live. So now she look at it as, well, I'm going to go for and go live with my husband. Remember, Alicia Kim never asked Buu to carry her foreign. You know? That's what we understand, we notice, we never hear Buu say. Listen to what Buu say. Buu say, Alicia Kim tell him say, him go to the embassy, she go to the embassy a couple times and never get no visa. You hear Buu say, Alicia Kim say, oh, I want to go to America. No, you never hear Buu say that. You never hear Buu say, Alicia Kim asks him, Buu, if he come a foreign. You never hear him say that. And him can't say that because Alicia Kim never asked him that. And that's why he surprised her with this with this engagement. That's why the engagement is a surprise. Because him already go and know about her. And realize, say, oh yeah, this is a good one. Go up and tell his sister. That's why the sister end up come. Uno now realize, uno now listen, uno now look. All uno do is a look and a listen to a rumor, I say. The situation is really different from how uno see it. Uno only a see it on Alicia Kim's side because uno think Alicia Kim is a gold digger. But look, she have her baby. She do a video. Me didn't know say she not do a video about her baby still, but you know, I fear her baby, so she have to do it. But look, she do a picture, a video with the baby show. And you see everybody up, run with video, boom, 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 boom. You notice you not see me with one video? Yeah, you not gonna see me with no video I say Alicia Kim show her baby either. Our daughter, she have all right to do whatever she want to do with her. And to be honest with you, I won't make a video about our little girl. And you know, me not gonna make a bad video about a little baby either. But you have people out there and make all kind of video towards the baby, the father, and all kind of things. But at the same time, people now look on the right side of it. You know, beat her, day come, day going, day going. At least you can think about it, man. Give her a break now. But Rumram himself nah go do that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, stay blessed. Enough respect, manners, and you don't know, a peace and love and manners and respect. And stay blessed. Until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye.